Introducing Yingke 100 MPPT Solar Charge Controller. Metal casing for enhanced heat dissipation and protection. Temperature. PV input. Battery connection. DC load. RS485. Vented base design for improved MPPT cooling. Dual fan cooling system. For high-density copper inductors. 5 high-performance capacitors. Precision mainboard with premium MOS VTS. High-quality heatsinks lengthen MPPT life. 4 cm height, 5 mm side thickness, 3 mm fin thickness. Why choose Yingke MPPT Solar Charge Controller? What makes it different from other brands of MPPT? Brand A, simplified and lightweight mainboard, but not as robust as Yingke's mainboard. Brand A, 2 small heatsinks, limited dissipation. Yingke, full-size integrated heatsink, solid design ensures sustained full power output. Brand B, even simpler, minimal safeguards. Brand C, overly simple fake, MPPT, no protections. Why choose Yingke MPPT Solar Charge Controller? What does the weight of their mainboard indicate? Yingke mainboard, 3.9 kilograms. Brand A mainboard, 2.25 kilograms. Brand B mainboard, 1.15 kilograms. Brand C mainboard, 0.9 kilograms. The difference in weight shows one thing: Yingke uses solid materials and premium components for unmatched quality and durability. Why choose Yingke MPPT Solar Charge Controller? What does this factory have? Yingke holds CE, FCC, and RoHS global certifications, professional office and sales teams. Our skilled engineering team ensures every product meets the highest standards. As a professional factory, Yingke manufactures solar PV products with full transparency and strict quality control at every stage. Choose Yingke dependable after-sales service and a partner you can grow with.